If you're looking for a free trial of ChatGPT Plus, here is how to check if you're eligible. First, open ChatGPT and sign into your account. Next, click your profile icon and then select Upgrade Plan or Get Plus, depending on the version you're using. If OpenAI is currently offering a free trial or promotional offer for your account, you'll see it displayed on the upgrade page along with the terms and duration of the trial. If you don't see a free trial, it simply means there isn't one available for your account at the moment. OpenAI doesn't offer a permanent free trial, and promotions are typically limited to selected users, regions, or special campaigns. Be careful of websites or videos claiming they can unlock ChatGPT Plus for free. Many of these are misleading and may ask for your personal information or payment details. If you'd like to use ChatGPT without subscription, you can continue using the free version, which still includes access to many useful features. You can also keep an eye on official OpenAI announcements as new promotions or free trials offers may become available in the future. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.